Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today, Quntis has sent me another set of lights. I got patio lights from them before, which are really awesome. And those ones are plug-in. These ones are LED solar fence lights. So this is a 4-pack, and these retail for approximately $33 Canadian. So these ones are completely weatherproof. They're rated for IP65, which turns out is not a light bulb, but it's a weather rating. So basically, you can leave them in any weather, anytime, and you don't have to worry about them, which is great. Here in Canada, it's super hot in the summer and cold in the winter. So they're solar lights. There's no wiring required. Super easy installation. I've seen some people use like a cool double-sided tape for this, and they had good results with it. I don't know how long that would last. It comes with a screw mount, and you can just hang it on the screw, which is really great because you just drill the screw in to the right length, and then you hang it up. I'll show you that. And so it's a really easy installation. Now they're 3200K color temperature that's bright enough to be useful but not harsh. They're 22 lumens, and it's a pattern light output. It kind of looks like a flower on the fence, which is really cool. They're auto on and off because they have an ambient light sensor, and it's a 4-pack. Like I said, there's a little on button on the back. Apparently you have to turn that on. That's, touch it once, leave it forever. And obviously the more light that these get, the longer they stay on, and their claim is between 6 to 12 hours of runtime if they're fully charged. So let's see. Let's crack this open. Let's open them up. Inside the box, you've got some bubble wrap, and they're wrapped in 2s. Oh, look at that. They have some instructions, and they come with some roll plugs and some screws, so you can hang them up. Perfect. Now, let's just put those 2 in there. Let's take them out. So you have your solar cell on top, and then you've got your mounting hole in the back, then your on-off switch. So yeah, maybe you don't want them on for certain things, like maybe you're having a Halloween party or whatever, and you don't want these on. You can turn them off. So, really simple. They're not very big. I thought they were bigger when I saw the pictures. And they are 3.5 inches in diameter, and they're like a semicircle, right? A little bit of a flat part for the solar cell, and the light emits from the bottom, and it looks kind of like a sort of a dimpled sort of honeycomb pattern on these. Okay, and then the back, get a good view of that. All right, I'm going to try to center this on the fence in between the pickets, and I'm not sure how well this is going to work with the light dispersion, so I might have to move it somewhere else, like out on top here, something like that. But I think it looks better in here, so I'm going to try it here first, and then if I have to put it here, then I'll put it there after. Just going to go with the center line here, and I'm going to mark the center line this distance here. We're going to go down 7/8 of an inch. Mark off 7/8 here. Put in the screw. You might have to adjust this depth so that it fits in here and it slides in tightly. So we're going to put that on, locate it, and pull it down if it's loose feeling, and tighten it up just a touch more until it feels good and tight. That looks good. Alright, so I had the lights here between these spindles, and that really didn't look good. So I've rearranged it, and I've got them here on the posts for the staircase. So I've got 2 on one side, of course 2 on the other to match, and then I put 2 by the gate, so 1 on each side of the gate to kind of show where the gate is when it's dark, and we'll see what that looks like. I'm not sure if that's going to look good or not. It doesn't really matter. These things are super easy to move around. They have a really cool pattern that they put out. So here's the lights. They illuminate the stairs rather nicely, actually. You can see all the dots. You can see the markings underneath them. I don't know if this is really going to show up well on this, but there's the four of them. And then over here by my gate, this is what it looks like. They're higher. It's got a neat little pattern. All right, final thoughts on the product. I really like these, and there's a bunch of different reasons why. First, they're easy to install. You just put a screw in somewhere, hang them up. It's that simple. You don't have to worry about having them close to an electrical outlet, running wires, digging trenches under your sidewalk. You just hang them up somewhere where they're going to catch some sun, and you are golden. Another thing is they don't cost you anything after you buy them. Because they're solar, there's no electricity costs involved, so that's awesome. And you can mount them basically anywhere. They've been turning on this time of year around 9 o'clock at night. That's when it's getting dark, and I'm up for work by 5 a.m., and these things are still going strong. So that's a solid 8 hours of runtime that I'm getting from them right now. So that's awesome. So obviously the pattern's really cool. I like the way that it projects dots on the ground. Has a nice fan, sort of almost like a flower, projected onto the fence, which is really cool. And I can't wait to see what they look like in the snow. I think in the snow they're really going to look cool. Alright, so in the description I will link where you can buy these either on Amazon or directly from the company, and they've also given me a discount code so you can get some extra money off. Alright, all that will be in the description, and that's it. That's my review. Thanks a lot for watching.